Hi guys and gals, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I am posting the trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. Uh, I'm just gonna show you the NPXS or Pundi export developments. And this is the day chart of NPXS US dollar. And I'm just taking you first to the live chart, and after that I'll show you the chart I've published. Alright, this is the day chart, and on this chart we can see that the price action is forming a falling wedge pattern from here. This is the resistance of this pattern, this falling wedge, and this is the support of this falling wedge pattern. And if I will place the Bollinger Bands on this pattern, then we can see that whenever the price action is hitting at the support of this pattern, it is also hitting at the support or the lower band of the Bollinger Bands as well. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. But here we can see the price action has hit at the support of the Bollinger Bands but did not hit at the support of this falling wedge. Alright, if I'll place the moving average convergence divergence indicator, I'm just going to show you some more indicators to confirm how this bullish setup is perfectly driven. And we can see that it is fluctuating. It was strong bearish and turned weak bearish. Then yesterday it was strong bearish, and today it is turned weak bearish again. And if we see the relative strength index, then RSI is already in the oversold zone. And if we see the stochastic, which is very much important indicator, then we can see the stochastic was also oversold, and it has given the bull cross and moving up and turning bullish. But if we see one more thing inside this pennant, is inside this wedge, then that is the formation of the harmonic pattern, and this could be a bullish crab pattern. Okay, there can be two possibilities. One is it can be a bullish bad pattern, but with some slightly difference in the price action, like it should be the final leg should be up to 0.886 Fibonacci, almost up to here. But we can see that some of the candlesticks are closed slightly more down than the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern. So if we ignore this little bit difference, then it can be a bad pattern. But as far as I think, it should be a bullish crab pattern, because once it has broken down the potential reversals on support of this bullish bad pattern, then it should be moved down at least up to 1.27 from 1.27, almost from here up to 1.618 Fibonacci to complete the next harmonic pattern, and that is bullish crab pattern. So it should be up retraced almost up to here, and At this time, it is retraced exactly up to 1.208 Fibonacci, but it should slightly more and move more down, almost up to here, 1.27, to complete the final leg of the bullish crab pattern, and after that it will be entered in the potential reversal zone. And whenever any harmonic pattern is formed within another chart pattern, like here we have the harmonic crab pattern is being formed in another chart pattern, which is the falling wedge, then it gives more power to the bullish setup that the price action can not even hit the resistance of the pennant or of the of this wedge or of this chart pattern. Even the price action can break out from the resistance of this chart pattern, like we have the falling wedge resistance here, and it can be broken by the price action, and price action can have a very powerful breakout with the push or with the power provided by this bullish harmonic pattern, which is the crab pattern. So once the price action will have a breakout from here, then it can hit the resistance of the price action is itself, and that resistance is almost at uh, $19.96, point zero 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 $19.96. That can be even less than a half a cent. So however, this trade has a potential to give up to more than 51% profit. And once this resistance will be broken and the candlesticks will be closed beyond or above this resistance level, then the price action can move more up. And my previous charts, which I have published on the 4-day or even on the week charts, can be also executed very soon. But however, we are just watching this trade, and the most important thing in this trade is the stop loss point. We should take care of our stop loss point, especially while trading the Pundi X coin. Uh, if we can set our stop loss point at this support of this wedge, and we can also set our stop loss point the support of the potential reversal zone of this bullish crab pattern. Once the candlestick will be closed below this support or below the potential reversal zone of this crab pattern, then we should take exit from the trade. I'm also sharing the link of the Binance exchange in the video's description, which is the most powerful and good platform to trade the Pundi X with US dollar Tether pair. And it has the largest trade volume of the Pundi X. So if you don't have the account on the Binance exchange, you can click on my referral link, which I have provided in the video's description. And I'm also sharing my link of the Tradingview. You just need to click on the link when you will be on the Tradingview. After clicking on that link, you just need to select the people option from here and write my username, which is moon333, and my link will be available. And you just need to click on the link, then my page on the Tradingview will be available on your computer screen, and from here you can follow any of my chart, and you can also follow me from here. And this is my Pundi X chart, which I have just shared today. And this is a complete article. You can also read my complete article. But if you want to see the buying and sell targets, I mentioned at the end of the article. And this is my buying range, and these are the sell targets. So this trade has capacity to give uh, around 51.5% profit. And you can also find my Pundi X chart, NPXS USD, or NPXS US dollar. here in the most popular charts on the Tradingview. You can see this is one of the #1 chart of most popular Pundi X charts on the Tradingview, and you can also follow this chart from here. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.